What is up, you guys? Pete DeCarlo here with DeCarlo Capital, and today I took a pretty sizable position in a stock. Obviously, that stock is PayPal. We're going to go over that today. About a $25,000 long-term play that I took. Going to go over why I finally pulled the trigger here on PayPal, and also I did take one other position which I'm going to do a video on today, so make sure you watch out for that video, guys. Before we get into it, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, because all these videos are time sensitive, as you guys know. And I also recommend you go ahead and check out our Discord. It's completely free. The link is in the description. You guys get access to free courses, live streams, seminars, webinars, as well as some free trades every once in a while as well. Today I threw out a Tesla day trade, made $490 in 15 minutes. Our plan really in 2022 is to become the biggest and the best free trading community out there. So go ahead and check it out. We would love to have you guys a part of the family. Now, taking a look at PayPal. We've been watching PayPal for a very, very long time. As you guys know, we've been watching it basically since it started dropping in the beginning of November. We were watching this consolidation. We talked about this bear flag. We were calling that $150 price target for a while. Snap through that 150 price target a couple of weeks ago, and now we are holding down here at about $125. Now, when I look at this company, I like the company long term. I really don't buy that much companies long term anymore, and I mainly trade, number one, because I just enjoy trading. I do like investing long term, but I don't really believe that many companies are undervalued, and there are a couple right now, PayPal being one of them, Facebook being the other one, which we'll talk about in a video I'm doing later today. But looking at PayPal, we're down at this major support at 122. If you look at the past 4 years, major buying and selling, mainly major buying, happens around 116 and 75. We're at this support. I don't think we're going to snap 122. I started with $25,000 long term, and I plan to add another $25,000 down at $78. That's my average point, and that's where I'm planning to hold. I like the PayPal business model. I think that the company is in a strong point right now, even with things that have been going on recently in the past couple of months, driving the stock down 60%. And I believe that from a long-term standpoint, this is a risk that is worth taking, right? I plan to hold this probably 6 months to a year and a half. This is not going to be like a 10 to 20 year hold. This is just a stock that I think holding for the next 1 to 2 years is a very, very good move with how undervalued and how beaten up this thing is. On the weekly chart, the RSI is at 16. And what you have to realize is this is not a failing company that has never, been profitable, that has never been in an uptrend, that, for instance, something like a Smile Direct Club, or that basically has just had the shit beaten out of it, but really does not have a strong business model and the books aren't well. Or something like SPCE, which one, some of you guys might get mad at me saying this, but like, this is not even a business at this point. We've been saying that for a while, even though I was an investor in SPCE, soon after IPO. This is a solid, reputable company with a good balance sheet, a good income statement, and a company I believe will be around 5-10 years from now. However, they have had some problems. For me, I think that the risk I think the risk outweighs which way should I say it? The risk is worth the reward. That's the way I should say. The amount of risk that you would bring in on this position, in my personal opinion, is worth the potential reward. When I look at this, like I said, I started a position here for 25 grand. I will add more at 80 if we drop, which means I'll have an average price of about $100. And with that, we could see a potential recovery, even just from 80 back up to 180 is an 86% return. And even if we bounce right here from 120 up to $80 is about a 43% return, which would be about $12,000 profit for me. And then if we could push through there back to all-time highs, which is not what I'm looking for, that's wishful thinking, that's 147% return. At this point, I think this is a really good deal. I really like the company, and I decided to go long in it. And it's one of the only long-term positions I really hold right now because I feel like there's not much that's undervalued. The other position is Facebook, and like I said, we're going to do a separate video for that. But let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. I finally ended up pulling the trigger on PayPal. Let me know if you are. Let me know if you think I'm stupid for doing it. Let me know any of your thoughts, guys. I'd love to hear from you, whether it's good, bad, or ugly. As always, guys, thank you for all the support. It truly means the world to me. This channel is coming up on about 7,000 subscribers, and our other channel, Traders Helping Traders, is coming up on like 40,000 subscribers. So it really means the world to me, guys. Have a great day. See you in the Discord. Peace.